Hey guys, time for another quick tCMS update. Let's jump right into it, shall we? So we've got a couple of new URLs here for you to take a look at, the series and the sitemap. And we've also got some changes here to the way we display files, audio, video, and so forth. As you can see, they're all now tiles. And we're going to probably change this to where it looks a little bit better, but this is essentially the idea you get. It's going to be kind of like a file manager. And as you can see now, when we click the RSS, it actually gives you a correct RSS feed. When we go to the series page, we actually have a thing that will link you through to different series. And when you click this, this is not yet implemented, it should take you to all posts with the appropriate tag, right? And as you can see right now, it says administrative posts. If you're not logged in as an administrative user, you wouldn't see this. I've got filtering based on ACLs for users actually implemented now. So that should be very helpful. Next, we can go to the sitemap, which is basically just a list of every single post that's ever going to be here. This is basically just a human-readable version of the sitemap.xml stuff. As you can see, you can sort of click in here and get the sitemaps. We've got an index and we have sitemaps for everything. The point is, you can have some like 5 million different posts on this before the sitemap stuff breaks down, which is, quite frankly, just never going to happen. Next, we go over here to the admin configuration stuff, and needs a little bit of styling right now, but as you can see, no longer we don't have the user creation settings here anymore. All this has been broken out into all this different stuff, and it's basically the same URLs that you see up front to make it sort of a better user experience here. And you can see now everything, when you edit it, it correctly puts in all the right data. When we take a look here, we can go say try and publish something, and it actually will stop you with normal HTML validators to require you to get posts, which is a huge irritant to me for many years in normal tCMS. And as you can see, basically, depending on what type of thing you're going to, it's going to give you a different form. And you can then, again, edit everything fairly straightforwardly. And series is essentially how you add extra ACLs, which ACLs and series are essentially going to be the same thing, because the idea is that, well, I've got this one series of videos that I want to offer as part of some promotion, and paid users would get access to that. Anyways, and then when you go to the About page, that's how you add new users and so forth, and it's basically the same exact kind of stuff. So it's all pretty unified with regard to the way the templates work. It's all sort of going to be the same data model in the back end. It's all just posts inside of a search engine is the way it's going to be. Right now, I still don't have the data model going. I'm fleshing out actually doing the publishing and making new stuff with the bogus data model that we currently have. And once I'm finished with that, then we can basically exercise every single functionality I want with tCMS. And then when I'm sure that I've actually got all the functionality done, then I'm going to go ahead and actually implement the data model, because things will be solidified and it really won't matter what we use as the back end at that point. Okay, guys, well, that's really all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And if you like tCMS, hit us up and give us an idea on what you want it to do. All right, guys, have a good one.